Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Kiki from Kiki DIYs. And today I'm participating on the Fall Cozy Corner Challenge with our hosts Arlynn from Arlynn's Country Craft Corner and Kim from Sweet Daisy Creations. They asked us to create a cozy corner using a garland, a basket or a table, and a sign. As you can see, I have my garland right here. I DIY'd this one. You can see the video in Spanish in my channel. Over here I have two blankets. This one is my son's, this one is mine. And these two that are in the basket are two pillows for when we want to lay down and watch a movie or something like that, because we love to lay on the floor and get cozy with our blankets. I have this. This is a fabric pumpkin topiary. This one I have the video also because it's a DIY. And here you can see I have a fall sign that I DIY'd. Over here I have a couple of lanterns just to give us a little bit of coziness and lighting at nighttime. And as you can see, here we have a space that we put our DVDs or games, family games, everything we are going to use that night. Here I'm getting a little bit closer so you can see it. Here is a fall sign completely. These are our two pillows, our garland, the topiary, the two lanterns. I want to say thank you to Arlynn and Kim for hosting this beautiful challenge, and I'm going to leave down below in the description box the link for the playlist and also for Kim's channel and Arlynn's channel. Remember, if you like it, hit the thumbs up. If you love it, subscribe so you can see more of this and couple of DIYs. As I said, my DIYs are in Spanish mostly, but if you have any question, just ask me and I will be more than happy to answer to you. Take care. Bye.